if I told you there's a way to grow your channel with subscribers who truly care about the content that you give them? By the end of this video, you have a clear step-by-step guide to attract loyal subscribers and finally grow your channel. I remember when I started my channel, I was desperate for growth. And I thought it worked like magic. I would refresh my stats every day, checking every day, do I have growth? Do I have views? Do I have subscribers? I even thought of joining those support groups, thinking that it would help. But deep down, I knew it wouldn't. And I knew I wasn't creating for them. I was building my own brand and tailoring my content to a certain specific audience. And I was creating content for an audience that shared my passion. And when I shifted my focus, everything changed for me. So the number one step is to know your audience. You see, when you do that sub for sub, anyone can subscribe to your channel. And the majority of them, 90% of them, are not even your audience. They don't even have an interest in the content that you're providing. Ask yourself, who am I creating content for? Are they the 9-to-5 employees dreaming of being their own boss? Is it for busy moms looking for quick hacks, how to make money online? Or is it the young creators who want to be inspired with innovation, creation? You need to know them so well that you can finish their sentences. When your content speaks directly to them, they'll feel seen. And that's when loyalty begins. So what type of person are you creating content for? Think about it and comment below. That's the biggest takeaway you'll have in this video. Loyal subscribers don't just want videos, they want a solution. So number one, teach them something that changes their life. Even in a very small way, it's significant to them. Number two, entertain them so well that they forget for a moment their worries. Number three, share a story that makes them feel less alone. Take a moment, let me share a story. I wanted to be on YouTube, but I failed because of my own insecurities, and I struggled for a whole year to start a YouTube channel. And finally, I took the courage and I took the plunge, and I said, if they did it, then I can too, because I had a passion to share with the 9-to-5 employees on how they can turn their expertise or experience into a profitable income on YouTube. And I thought, if I don't say something, I might be hindering someone's progress. There's someone out there waiting for me to share my journey and my experience. That's how I started on YouTube. Comment below and tell me what's your story, or if you haven't started a YouTube channel, what's holding you back? Comment below. So every video should leave your viewers thinking, I need this. The more value you give, the more they'll keep coming back, and they'll bring others with them. Subscribers aren't just numbers, they're actual people. So treat them like it. Reply to every comment, especially in the beginning. Ask questions in your videos to invite a conversation, and that attracts audience engagement. Use polls or community groups to let them shape your content, because viewers really help to know what kind of content they would love you to provide for them, to provide a solution and to change their lives, like we said. When people feel heard, they stay. If you've ever connected deeply with a creator, a big YouTuber, what made you stay with them? You see, the mission for YouTube is to make people stay on the channel or on a video for as long as possible. And so when people interact and stay on your video, they watch your video to the end, YouTube loves that. So here are the 4 ways that you can keep your viewers watching. Number 1, use a strong hook in the first 15 seconds of your video. Number 2, break your content into engaging segments, so that it keeps the audience interested. And number 3, end with a tease that will make them click to the next video. It's not just the views, but it's about making every viewer feel that their time was well spent watching your videos. So the last thing I want to share is about being patient and being consistent. I know it's hard. You put your time and effort into making a video and no one's watching. All you hear are crickets. Every successful creator started where you are. Even Mr. Beast emphasizes that he started from zero and his first 100 videos sucked. So you should expect slow but steady growth. What matters, especially in the first 100 videos, I've learned, is that you are making yourself grow on YouTube. And then when you grow, you become better and you become an expert. You actually end up empowering others to grow on YouTube. And then lastly, it takes time to build. Those of us who are small creators, we must know there's that principle. It takes time to build. Rome was not built in a day. That's the principle I stand by. So I believe that every step it's towards greatness, it's towards success. And I am loving every step of the way. I take pride in every step that I make to grow on YouTube. And I encourage you to do the same. And remember that trust is what creates loyalty. And so when you allow your audience, your viewers, your subscribers to trust in you, to trust that you'll be posting consistently and that you'll be patient with growth, they will be with you. They'll stick with you and make your channel grow. YouTube is like work. You know, you show up even when you don't feel like going for work, 9 to 5, those of us who are 9 to 5, even when you don't feel like going for work for some reason, you show up. And that's how YouTube demands that you treat it like a business. It's your business. Even when no one is watching, show up. You're showing up for yourself because you're building a brand yourself. And always believe that there will be someone who will resonate with your content. Which of these steps will you take today? Comment below. And if you're ready to go deeper, watch my next video. In the next video, I'll break it down on how to design the clickable thumbnail and titles that will attract your ideal audience without compromising your authenticity. So thank you for being part of Zesty Dollar, and let's grow your channel one loyal subscriber at a time. I'll see you in the next video, but always remember, God loves you.